Do you have chronic tension? Or did you grow up in a dysfunctional family? Or do you have past emotions stuck in your body that you need to heal? If you've said yes to any of these questions, SatiLivingCenter.com can help you. Now, chronic tension is a sign that there are stuck emotions in your body, and yoga can help you release those stuck emotions, heal faster, and feel better. So now yoga is much more than just yoga postures. Yoga is meditation, pranayama, which are actual techniques that help you to learn how to control your master your energy. It's about lifestyle and what can help you grow physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So if you'd like to try SatiLivingCenter.com, you can try it for a month for $1, and if you like it, it'll renew automatically on the anniversary date of your next month for just $20. So go to SatiLivingCenter.com and become a member today. Have a great day.